In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to program the automatic power folding mirrors. The button that folds them in is located right here. Just to show. Next step, you want to hit settings, vehicle, comfort and convenience. You want to go to make sure this is turned on. It is. This is a description of how this operates. You'll use the remote and hold the lock button for about a second, and vice versa. The unlock unfolds them. I'll go outside and show you how that works. So once the remote's in your hand, you want to lock these up. You press this down for 1 second and reverse. You'll hit unlock for a second, and that unlocks unfolds the mirrors. Thanks for watching.